Hi, everyone. It's meteorologist Justin Stapleton. Thanks for jumping on to click2houston.com. Well, let's start off with the tropics. We actually have a tropical storm, first one of the season. Now, the Pacific season starts just a tad earlier than the Atlantic season, but this is Adrian. You can see it just to the we'll call it west of San Salvador there in southeastern Mexico. Now, this is a fairly decent looking storm. It's about 45 miles an hour, gusts at about 60. Pressure is above 1,000 millibars, moving northwest at around 7 miles an hour, jumping a little tighter on that there. Does ramp up possibly to a Category 1 hurricane by this weekend, but does not look like it is going to make landfall. Originally possibly moving in towards near Acapulco and Salina Cruz, but is likely going to just kind of sit out over the Pacific there and just sort of rain itself out. For us, not much rain in the forecast, at least for today. Tomorrow, we'll see some of these showers that right now are working their way north up towards the Dallas-Fort Worth area get a little closer to us, courtesy of this area of low pressure swirling its way in towards northwestern Mexico, bringing some potential for not only snow, but also some rain showers. Now, that's going to track north, but a cold front developing on that will eventually move on through, and that'll give us our chance for showers. We'll get to that in a second. First, though, look at the temperatures through the rest this afternoon. Topping out in the mid to low 80s, very sticky forecast. Overnight lows do not get out of the 70s, so it is going to be a very mild start to our Thursday, and then we'll be back up into the mid to upper 80s as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. So let's talk with the rain showers. Very humid air mass over the next couple of days. Now, eventually we'll see these showers start to break up by late tomorrow afternoon, evening. So if you're headed out to watch the Rockets game tomorrow night, you might want to find somewhere indoors. Again, on Friday, that front finally moves on through. But notice on the backside of this system, we get some cooler, drier air moving in, especially for Saturday and for Mother's Day. High pressure will be in control, and that means we're going to see lots of sunshine. It'll be less humid as well. That's the good news, and certainly a great looking weekend forecast. How much rain could we get with this? Well, it's a possibility could see maybe a ½ an inch to an inch as you get a little further north and west, but for the most part, kind of broad brushing at about a quarter to a ½ an inch of rainfall overall. 86 for today. We'll go 30% chance for showers on Thursday, around 84 degrees, 86 again on Friday. Warming up as we get into Mother's Day weekend, but overnight lows will dip down into the 60s, so a drier air mass won't make it feel as sticky out there. And then as we go early next week, we'll see a chance for some showers back into the forecast. And if you peek towards next Thursday and Friday, could be looking at our first 90-degree day first 90-degree day of the month of May as we head in towards the end of next week. That's your forecast from right here at click2houston.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Twitter. We'll keep you updated throughout the rest of the forecast and get you set with your weather anytime you need it right here at click2houston.com.